Lion BTR337 Bug and Tar Remover helps remove bugs, tar, tree sap, asphalt, and road grime. Is safe for use on all auto finishes, including chrome, trim, and bumpers. Works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, and a variety of other vehicles. First, shake the bottle to mix the formula. Then, apply product to a soft cloth or applicator pad. Apply product evenly in a circular motion. Finally, buff off after product is dried to a fine haze. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.